Hey y'all, so I've had this butterfly shaped wall hanging since last spring and I've been really wanting to give it a little makeover. So I first started by just taking off all the floral that came with it, and I really like what they made the body out of. It's like a grapevine material, so I'm going to keep that and save it to use later on. So my idea was to use a piece of cardboard and attach it to our butterfly wings to stuff flowers in. So I'm starting off by just tracing out the butterfly wings and cutting them out of the cardboard. It can be a little difficult cutting out cardboard, so I found it easier to cut it out in sections instead of trying to cut it all in one go. And now we can just line it up to make sure it fits. It doesn't have to be perfect because if you're using like big flowers or flowers that hang over a little bit like leaves and stuff, then it'll cover those edges. And I'm just using a little bit of hot glue to run along the edge of where the wire and the cardboard meet. I ended up painting my cardboard, which ended up not really being necessary, but I was worried that it may show through a little bit, so this is optional if you want to do this part. And now I'm just taking a little drill bit that I have to poke holes all in my cardboard, just kind of randomly. You can use a pencil or whatever else that you have. I did find it easier to poke holes in the cardboard on my carpet versus my table, just because my table was kind of keeping me from poking holes all the way through the cardboard. So originally I wanted to cover this completely in these soft pink roses, but I did run out about halfway through, so I had to find another flower that I already had that kind of mixed in with this and didn't throw off the look too much. But this type of project would be really cute with any type of flowers and any type of shape as well. You don't necessarily need the wireframe to go off of. You could just cut the shape out of cardboard and create your wall hanging or your shelf decor piece out of just that. All of my floral came from Walmart, even these cute little butterflies. I found them in a tulip pig that was in a center aisle for all their spring floral, and I just knew I could use them at some point. So I went ahead and got them a few weeks ago, and I'm so glad that I did because I think they look really cute in this piece. And then I'm stuffing in the little grapevine piece from the beginning, and I'm adding these little leaves as well just because I felt like I needed to fill in the space where its head is a little bit. So here's how it turned out overall. I think it's a really beautiful piece, but let me know what y'all think in the comments, and thank you so much for watching.